Hi guys, welcome to yet another episode of 2am Stories.
उसने बहुत जोर से हमारी गाड़ी पे हाथ भी मारा है.
मेरे पीछे there's a bunch of men walking in a group. I'm not particularly comfortable here. So हमारी पहली लोकेशन है ट्रैम डिपो क्योंकि मैं जा रही हूँ ट्रैम लेने and I am not taking the tram alone. So let's get going. But before that, I want to show you this beautiful property, the Corner Courtyard, who provided us with such beautiful rooms. ये जगह इतनी cozy है ना कि मेरा यहाँ से बाहर जाने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा है. But for now, let's get going. Guys, I'm in the tram. मुझे बाहर लटकना नहीं चाहिए, but बहुत slow चल रहा है तो मैं कर रही हूँ. So it's okay. कभी कुछ ऐसा हुआ है किसी लड़के ने कुछ किया हो बदतमीजी कभी आप जब जवान थे तभी
लड़का
हाँ ट्रैम में कुछ नहीं होता है एकदम सेफ है आंटी आप ट्रैम में ट्रैवल करते हो
ट्रामे আমরা যাতায়াত করি রোজ ভালো সেফটি
कभी कुछ हुआ है ऐसा क्रीपी सा कभी किसी लड़के ने छेड़ा हो कुछ किया हो
क्या बोलती
नहीं होता
This is my first time in the tram and I actually had to run through the traffic to catch it. But हम मिल रहे हैं मेरी writer साक्षी से. She's a part of our team and she works from Kolkata and she's super excited to be a part of this episode.
How safe do you feel in the tram when you're traveling?
It's very safe. It's very, very safe. Even the tram, the autos and metro, the buses, they're all, I feel very safe in all those.
And what about eve teasing and staring? Do you think that's very normal?
Eve teasing is not so much there in Kolkata, but the staring part is there. I mean, people do stare at you. Even at 12 o'clock, if I'm traveling by, suppose, a cab, I have never encountered an incident where someone has tried to harass me or something. So, yeah.
यार ये ट्रैम कितना शोर मचाता है कितना हिलता है ये देखो हम अभी उतर रहे हैं
तो इसके बाद हम अनएक्सपेक्टेडली कालीघाट चले गए एंड वी डिडंट प्लान टू बी देयर तो इट वाज रियली क्राउडेड बट द साइट वाज रियली फनी विद दीज अंकल्स इन देयर गंजीज रोल्ड अप एंड देयर लुंगीज सो देयर वाज दैट
यार यहाँ पे तो लोग स्टेयर कर रहे हैं इतना ज़्यादा बट ठीक है दैट्स ओके बिकॉज मैं मंदिर वाली गली में आना एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करती थी सो आई डिडंट ड्रेस अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट देन अगेन देखा जाए तो if we are going to be talking about appropriate dressing, that's a concept that's only limited to women, not to men. We see men wearing pants and shirts to the mandir, but वही same pant and shirt औरतें नहीं पहन सकती क्योंकि patriarchal society. So I'm walking towards this thing which looks beautiful, but that's the exit, or I think the entry. I'm not sure. As you can see behind me, I am standing outside Victoria Memorial Hall and I really wanted to go inside and see what it's like but sadly 2am shoot रात को होते हैं तो रात को यहाँ पे allowed नहीं है तो मैं देख नहीं पाऊँगी but it's so stunning guys, just look at it, like this is such a beautiful city to be in. But I'll tell you what, now as a woman, as much as I may love a city because of the society that we are raised in, my natural instinct is to like tense up. हम लड़कियाँ इतना ईव टीज हो जाती हैं इतनी हमारे साथ बदतमीजियाँ हो जाती हैं कि हम you know while we go to new cities with a lot of optimism जब मैं ये खाली सुनसान सड़कें देखती हूँ ना तो my natural reaction from my body is to tense up. I think the lighting here is pretty cool actually. They've got this thing. थोड़ा और lit होता तो अच्छा था but for now this is what it's like. ओए चल ये देखो ये आ रहा है मेरे साथ यार कितने सही है ना ये डॉग्स प्रोटेक्ट करते हुए चल रहा है Who needs a bodyguard when I can have you है ना चल आजा यार यहाँ पे तो अभी भी ईद वाली वाइब चल रही है pretty cool. I'm not particularly comfortable here क्योंकि थोड़ा ज़्यादा दिख रहे हैं, but I still want to have the urge to have puchka is higher than putting up with shit. So you know what? Everybody can go to hell. This is what it looks like. I'ma have it now. रुकना बे! अभी मुझे जो देख के जाएगा मैं उसको आगे से ताड़ूंगी. I want to make men feel uncomfortable.
Since festive time था तो मैं काफ़ी excited थी to explore Park Street, but to our disappointment काफ़ी dead था वहाँ पे. But there's one thing that I really did notice there. There were so many men on their bikes, बाइक पे ट्रिप्सी करते हुए, शोर मचाते हुए, सड़कों पे चिल्लाते हुए जा रहे थे. And I feel like while I'm all about festivals, it's so unfair, right? That festivals के टाइम पे मर्दों को बस एक बहाना मिल जाता है to be on the streets and to create chaos and एक unsafe माहौल create कर देते हैं जिसकी वजह से औरतें बाहर नहीं निकल पाती हैं, you know. While men are on the streets, there are women out there who are just, you know, sitting dressed up in their homes and cooking and cleaning. मतलब उनके ऊपर double burden, while men are just like tripsy करते हुए, शोर मचाते हुए घूम रहे हैं. वो मर्द सिर्फ ये तमाशा नहीं करते हैं. In fact, they really get drunk and misbehave as well. And the biggest example is जब हम जा रहे थे, we actually were on the street when a very shirtless drunk man came on, he came in the middle of the road. उसने हमारी गाड़ी रोकने की कोशिश की and we tried to, move away and go, but he actually realized कि हम जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं तो उसने बहुत जोर से हमारी गाड़ी पे हाथ भी मारा. In fact,
I actually went to a club very randomly for like a drink because I was like, let's explore, let's understand what's happening, let's see what it's like. There was this girl who came up to me and she was like, come on, dance with me. And I was like, oh, are you alone? She was like, no, I'm with my friends, but they're like work friends. मैं चली गई उसके साथ. But then one of her friends tried to get very close, friendly with me, tried to get a little touchy, and I was like, buddy, back off. यार मुझे लग रहा है मैं 2am कर करके ना थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बोल्ड हो गई हूँ, हद से ज़्यादा, क्योंकि मेरे पीछे there's a bunch of men walking in a group and मुझे डर नहीं लग रहा है. I just don't care. मेरा बड़ा मन था ये येलो टैक्सी लेके मैं प्रिंसेप घाट जाऊँ, बट यहाँ पे ना ये येलो टैक्सीज काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव पड़ रही है मुझे. मैं जा रही हूँ हमारी कैब में प्रिंसेप घाट बिकॉज आई रियली वांट टू एक्सप्लोर इट एंड मैंने सुना है वहाँ पे काफ़ी इश्किया वाइब है, तो मैंने सोचा वहाँ की ज़रा इश्किया वाइब चेकआउट करते हैं और देखते हैं वहाँ पे क्या होता है.
सो हम प्रिंसेप घाट पे थे एंड कोलकाता के नाम पे कुछ स्पूकी हो ही गया हमारे साथ. हम जा रहे थे प्रिंसेप घाट के तरफ व्हेन एक आदमी भागता हुआ आया है लाइक फुल ऑल ओवर द प्लेस एंड ही वाज लाइक आगे मत जाओ, वहाँ पे एक आदमी है वो मर गया था, वो ट्रेन के नीचे आ गया था, उसकी आत्मा में बैठी है, सर कटा हुआ है, वहाँ पे मत जाना. बट वी वर लाइक वी जस्ट डिसाइडेड टू इग्नोर हिम एंड वॉक ऑन. इनफैक्ट ही ऑल्सो टोल्ड अस अगर उसने तुम्हें देख लिया तो मार देगा एंड all of that, but we were like, yeah, whatever. So that happened.
You know what? I'm going to the main road because I feel safer there as opposed to the footpath crowded by men because they own spaces.
So at Balwant Singh ka dhaba, I spoke to the owner and she told us that it's pretty safe and in fact more than men वहाँ पे बहुत सारी औरतें भी आती हैं. So off camera I spoke to a few women outside the dhaba because they were not comfortable talking on camera and they told us that it's pretty safe. Kolkata is a very chill city. However, a lot of women also told us that it's very common कि लोग आते जाते वैसे comment pass कर देते हैं. तो I mean eve teasing seems to be a very common occurrence in Kolkata. But they also told us that things never really go beyond that and I think that's also how I felt. It's been such a journey for me from the Bangalore episode to now because I remember जब मैंने Bangalore episode किया था लोग comments pass कर रहे थे and I felt really uncomfortable. I was rattled by that. But now when I was in Udaipur, when I was in Kolkata, I realized that these cities felt relatively safer and also the fact that ये हर जगह हो ही रहा है. I mean this passing comments and this basic eve teasing हर जगह ही है. तो somewhere or the other I feel like why bother, why let it affect you.
how do you rate Kolkata in terms of safety from 0 being the lowest and 10 being the highest?
I think I would like to give Kolkata a solid 8.5. I feel really safe about it.